want to give your photo a soft, rounded focus? Blur Edges can help with that. Open your image in the BeFunky editor. In the left toolbar, find and click on the Blur Edges effect. Adjust the slider to control the size of the blur effect around the edges of your image. The more you slide, the more blurred the edges become. You can also adjust the intensity of the blur to make the edges softer or more defined. Once you are satisfied with the results, click Apply to lock in the effect. Blur edges are perfect for creating a vintage or dreamlike effect, focusing all attention on the center of the photo. Have you tried Blur Edges effect before? Let me know how it worked for your photos. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.